Good afternoon all. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I will discuss characteristics of control process. Before this, I have discussed planning and controlling. Controlling means how to handle the work, how will you compare. Controlling basically means comparison between actual performance and planned performance. Planned and actual के बीच का difference, उनके बीच का comparison, that's control. So control is necessary because unpredictable disturbance occur and cause actual result to deviate from expected or planned result. कंट्रोल क्यों रखना ज़रूरी है? बिकॉज हमने सोचा कुछ है, प्लान कुछ है और रिजल्ट कुछ आ रहा है, देन कंट्रोल करना ज़रूरी है. कंट्रोल एक्टिविटीज सीक टू कीप द सिस्टम आउटपुट इन लाइन विद द ओरिजिनल प्लान. What is known as steady state or enable the system to change safely to meet the new conditions. To be successful, any organization must produce output that meets objectives. To do this, planning must take place, and when plans have been implemented, control must be exercised to ensure conformity to the plans and that plans remain relevant. It is meaningless to consider any form of control activity without a clear idea of what is to be achieved. That is a plan. मीन्स प्लान होना चाहिए फॉर एनी कंट्रोल. प्लान होगा तभी आप चेक कर पाएंगे एक्चुअल परफॉर्मेंस विथ प्लान परफॉर्मेंस विथ प्लान्ड. Correspondingly, a vital element in any planning process is consideration of the controls and control system necessary to ensure adherence to the plan. Here is a diagram for controlling process. Input, processor, output, then control. That's the sequence. First input होगा, then processing, then output, then control. Here is the long diagram. Input, processor, output. Input means activating unit. Output means sensors, control unit, standards. And finally there will be control with feedback loop. Feedback loop is important. In every control there is a need of feedback. Feedback means a response. Input से output से input में जो response जाता है, it means हमने जो planning किया था, input means हमने plan किया था performance, then actual performance, उनके बीच का जो difference है we will know by feedback loop. एक loop चलता है पूरा that tells कि कहाँ पे corrective action लेने की need है. Feedback loop tells us where to take corrective action for purify this situation. So here feedback control is important. So you can see the arrows from output to input, that's called feedback loop, and it is done in control. Similarly, in next diagram also there are arrow from output to input, that's feedback loop. Okay, that's controlling process. Okay, so today I have discussed controlling process. Next I will discuss in other videos. Thank you for listening. Okay everyone, just remember it, learn it. Controlling is important. Process is important for both planning and controlling also. Both, for both processes are important.